Why'd you have to go and make things so complicated?
Scott was my brother. He's alive?
With dynamite.
Julie and I rigged the whole stage with it.
You did what?
Why?
Did you know in the US, these are called Mario Karts?
I can't be with you anymore. I'm in love with Wallace Wells.
I didn't win?
No.
He's not dead?
Nope.
Is he mad at me?
I don't know.
Damn, girl. What are you doing later?
Who put that garbage can there?
Wow, that's a fast garbage can.
Be back in a bit, baby!
Okay, bye. I'll miss you.
Hey.
Hi.
You know Sonic the Hedgehog?
When's the last time you hit the gym? Too many French fries.
Come on, man! Huh? We can handle physical abuse, but we draw the line at verbal abuse!
I'd be chasing that high for the rest of my life. You can't fight the moonlight, babe.
Huh? I know my way around the studio.
Wallace is my cool gay roommate. He lets me use his credit card.
Oh. So like a sugar daddy situation.
Sugar what?
Stacy, I'm taking my 15. You took your 15 20 minutes ago. And would you stop swearing? We have f***ing customers. Fuck my life.
Are you real?
Did you just ask me if I was real?